Hey, this is C, your Ready Gardener here. We're going to do 3 things in this video. We're going to talk about some of the many uses of okra, know what diseases okra can help you with for better health, and briefly learn how to grow okra. And we have a bonus for you in the description. Let's get to it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we talk about gardening and health. Today we're talking about a superfood you might not know much about, and that is okra. That's right. The green veggie with a funny name is actually packed with health benefits. Let's dive into why okra is great for you and how you can use every part of it. All right, first, did you know that okra is loaded with vitamins and minerals? It is full of vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and magnesium. These help your body stay strong, your immune system healthy, and even help with digestion. Okra is also a great source of fiber, which means it keeps things moving smoothly in your stomach. But hold on, there's more. Okra can even help your skin. The antioxidants in okra help fight off damaged pollution, which keeps your skin looking fresh and healthy. You can even apply okra juice directly to your skin for a natural moisturizer. You know, the okra slime. Okay, now let's get into how you can use okra in different ways. Did you know you can make tea out of okra? Yep, it's just super simple. Just slice a few pieces of fresh okra and boil them in water. You can do this with the dried seeds as well and let it steep for about 10 minutes or more, and boom, you have a delicious and healthy tea. You can even add some honey or lemon for a little extra flavor. Now, next up, we're going to talk about okra powder. You can try out the okra pods, grind them up, and make your own okra powder. It's a great way to add some extra nutrients to your smoothies or shakes. Just sprinkle a little in, and you got a boost of fiber, vitamins, and minerals in every sip. And hey, okra isn't just good for your insides, it's great for your hair too. You know, the slimy stuff can help keep your hair shiny and hydrated. You can use okra to make a natural hair gel. All right, let's talk about diabetes. According to Healthline, in 2023, a systematic review of 8 clinical trials found okra reduced levels of fasting blood sugar among people with pre-diabetes and type 2 diabetes. It didn't have a big impact on the HbA1c, which is a longer-term measure of blood sugar management. Now, again, this is according to a Healthline article. Okra is known to help with diabetes, and it also has higher amounts of minerals than broccoli. It has a good amount per serving of fiber, almost as much as oatmeal per serving. And the other great thing, it has more vitamin C than oranges per gram. Now, this is according to university hospitals. Okra is a powerhouse of nutrition. Now, just in case you don't like okra because of the slime, check this out. To keep okra from being slimy, you just need to make sure your pan and your oil is hot, or that your oven is hot. In other words, everything has to be hot first before cooking okra. Then you can flour too, which helps to reduce some of the sliminess as well. By the way, I have created a course that will help you start, maintain, and even revive a dead garden. We're offering a crazy deal right now, and it won't last long. Go ahead and click the link in the description and start your garden success today. Now, let's talk briefly about growing okra. I'll create a separate video about okra and how to grow it successfully. But for now, I'm just going to give you the highlights. Okra does not like frost, is a perennial for zones 9 to 11, so those warmer climates. I'm between zones 7 and 8, so I usually grow okra as an annual starting in the spring. Now, this year, I'm overwintering the okra tree. Well, it's the okra plant, but it's grown to like over 6 feet tall. So overwintering just means I'm placing it in my greenhouse, which is not heated, and giving it a good water. Then I'm placing small wood chips and leaves on top of the soil. Also, as the temperatures get colder, I'll wrap it in some frost covering. This is the first time for me overwintering okra. Usually I just plant every spring in a container, but this year I'm trying to overwinter it. Now, okra grows really tall, and you can grow okra indoors or outdoors, but if you grow it indoors, just make sure you have enough space for how tall it may get, and you will have to hand pollinate. So when you grow okra in a container, you want to say have it around 12 inches deep at least. It's an easy plant. It just needs good compost, fertilizer, and sun. Okra, like I said, is a warm climate plant. So if you're not growing okra already, consider it or pick some up at the store.